Hello friends, now in this video I'm going to refactor this table. If I go to the index page of the cast directory, and here we have a form to generate cast, and also here we have the filter, and here we have a table, and I want to refactor this so we have some classes I want to eliminate them. Okay, go to the components and create new file, and I'm going to name it table.vue and create the template here. Okay, go to the index and copy the whole table here. So cut and paste it to the table template. Now I'm going to save the indented, and I'm going to add a slot name head table head here when we can paste the table head for name / poster. And here I'm going to add the default slot to the body. So after the tr with class, I'm going to add the slot, and the name is going to be table head, and close as slot. And also I'm going to create the table head component. So new file, table head.vue, and create the template again here. So, and inside there we only can add this the head, copy, come here, paste, and inside the name we can add the default slot. Close that in, and that's it for this table head. Okay, also now here I'm going to add the default slot for the table. I'm going to create one component for this tr. Go to the component, new file, and I'm going to say table row.vue, and inside here create the template and paste that in. Just now we need to remove this v4 and leave only the class, and inside here add the default slot. That's it. Save, close that in, and maybe I'm going to create also the td table data, new file, and name it table data.vue, and the same thing in here. I'm going to copy this and paste it. So create first the template, paste that in. Instead of this code, we need to add the default slot. Hit save, close this, and I think we are okay. Now in the index, import that table here. So add table, sorry, not tab name, but table. Okay, where is the table here? Right here, table, and close that. Inside here, now we need to add the template with name table head. So I'm going to check out, yeah, table head, and inside there we need to add the we need to add this table head name / poster and manage. So inside here add table head for the name and copy and paste. This is going to be slug. This is going to be the poster and the manage. Okay, we have finished with the table head. We need now to make this v4 here for the table row. So I'm going to copy this one, and after the template of the table head, we need to say table row and paste that v4 class in class and close it. And inside the table row, now we need the table data for the cast name, slug, and poster path. Okay, so add the table data for and display here the cast.name, copy and paste. Here we need the slug, and here we need the poster path, and also need one more for the links here. So I'm going to copy this and come here and create one more table data and paste the links here. And that's okay, but also I want to make a link with the same class, so don't add this class here. This class, I want to have something like this, just like that. Okay, and so go to the component and create new file. So I'm going to name it button link.vue and rename this because rename.vue. Okay, and what we can do, go to the table here. When we have this link, I'm going to copy this link here, go to the button, create the template and paste that in. When we have edit, add the slot, default slot, and in the href we not longer have this. Now I accept the link here, and so we need to create script, and no, I'm not using something like this. I'm going to use the setup directly here and import the define props from Vue and say define props, and what we need here is only the link, which is going to be type string and is going to be required. True. Save. Go now to the index.vue. When we have this link here, I'm going to say add button link, and we need to add the link here, which is going to be this route. Okay, copy this, paste it here, and say edit. Duplicate now this and say this is going to be for the destroy, and again say delete, and I think is very nice, something like this instead of this one. Okay. How you think? Is very good, like? Okay, now here we have the table, very nice table. And now we can copy and paste all the other. What we need, we need to import all the table row, and all of that. So first come here. Okay, so we need something like this. Components and okay, save. And now we have everything. Come here and refresh. Again, we have an error. Console cannot read in data. And why is that? Where you cannot read in data? So v for cast in cast data. What is the problem now? So here we have it. Oh yeah, we need to go to the, sorry friends, go to the table and remove everything here. So remove first this, and we leave the slot, and also remove everything here. And here is our table. Save. Come here and refresh. And now we have everything working correctly. Just we don't have the buttons. And why we don't have the buttons? And we, oh yeah, in the button link we use the link from the inertia, so we need to import link from Inertia Vue 3, save and refresh. And now we have the component, the buttons, but we have also the edit and delete green. So go to the index view, and here we have the button link for the delete. I'm going to add the class with bg red and 500 on hover, say bg red 700. Save. And for the last time, friends, refresh. Yeah, we have the delete button, and we can update working correctly. Okay, that's it for this video, friends. So we make the table to look more nice, just like this, and also the links here, button link, and we can use in the wall in the project. Okay, friends, that was for this video. Hope you enjoy, and see you in the next one. All the best.